Am I really that much to handle? Breaking these niggas down like a camera. You don't really just know you are.
Hey you guys, so today I'm working with I Define Hair Company and they sent me a new wig. I've never tried this style, so I'm super excited to see how this turns out. I got my tools, I got my stuff, and I'm ready to see what this hair is talking about. So, this is I Define wig. This is what the box looks like. Let me open it up to show you guys what it is. Medium cap. 180% density, and also get 2 different wig caps in the box, and of course a little IV card when you purchase this wig. The wig did take a few days to come in, or a few weeks to come in. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. It took some time to come in. But now that it's in, I'm excited to show you guys, what they have to offer. The website was really nice, and also the customer service was good. This is the wig. It's brown, and it's short. I've never did a pixie cut wig. The hair quality is very nice, but I don't even know how to style this wig. I have a few of my heat tools already preparing, like a small iron and stuff like that, and my hot comb, but I really don't know how I'm gonna style this. So I've already been wearing wigs. So I already got a wig cap, and I don't believe my hair is gonna be showing. Maybe my sideburns, but I got edge control for that, so I'm not really worried about that. But let me put on a wig and see how it's gonna. What we gotta do, and it already comes like it's full, like no lace, got this band in the back, has a comb, and of course the adjustable straps to make it tighter. Like I said to you guys, this is a size medium, so it should stick a little snug, and it also has combs on the side and 1 on the back, so 3 combs in total. Fully like constructed, no lace. So I'm gonna start by adding the band, then to make sure it's on the correct thingy, I put the first comb in. So this is what the wig looks like just on. I haven't done nothing to it, so yeah, you can definitely see my sideburns. So I'm gonna definitely do my little thing with that. But it's kind of straight. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I'm gonna have to fix that part because it's lifting in the back, that little curl. But I think my braids is the smallest they gonna get. I didn't even braid them myself, so I know like it's got some inches to it. It's not the shortest wig, but I gotta figure it out. I'm like I said, I've never styled a wig like this. And I'm actually happy that I got it in a medium, because I don't know if I got it in a large, how it would fit. And I feel like it fits really good how it is now. So this is what it looks like straight out the pack. If you are not a good, you're not wig savvy and like you don't know what to do at this point, I think this is pretty good, especially for a shortcut. But for me, I'm gonna turn up. Since it doesn't have any links, I can't make it on this side. curling in like C motion just to give it a little balance. To this wig. You don't have to do this part, but like I said, I'm just a little extra, and I feel like that's gonna give some character.
What am I gonna do? I've been needing you on you. Is it your heart still mine? Yeah.
It's actually pretty darn cute, that little
Too long. Tell me what I'm gonna do. Yeah. Is it your heart still mine? Yes.
So since you can't see my sideburns, I'm gonna glue them. I don't believe in cutting my sideburns off the wig. Some people do it, I don't. And I think it would actually give something to the wig with it being done. So that this looks more natural when you use your actual sideburns.
No, 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 no. I miss you. Off to college, it's you in a way. Straight from high school, you up and left me. We were close friends, awesome lovers. Did everything for one another. Now you're gone and I'm lost without you here now. But I know I gotta live and make it somehow. Come back to me. Can you feel me? Hear me calling for you? 'Cause I'm lost without you. Is your heart still mine? Wanna cry sometime? Now I'm sitting here thinking about you and the days we used to share. It's driving me crazy. I don't know what to do. I'm just wondering if you still care. I don't wanna let you know that it's
That's the wig, y'all. I really do. I don't know what else to do.
gotta concentrate, baby.
I really don't know. Let me do my makeup. I think when you put on your makeup, that's when you can really feel how the wig is giving. Alrighty, you guys. This is the final look.
What am I gonna do? I've been needing you.
As you guys can see, it has brown little highlights in it. It's a brown red.
Is your heart still mine?
I think I used to. I've never had short hair like this before, so I think I used to. But let me know in the comments what you guys think about the wig. Is it T? Is it? Is it just different? What you think? I like it. So y'all better tell me if you like it too. Or tell me if it's a hit or miss. Let me know.
You said